Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a knight. In the old days, knights protected kingdoms and castles. In fairy tales, they even battle with dragons. They wear special protective clothing called armour, made of metal. Let's start by drawing a knight's shield. This is a very special shape. It's a bit like an upside-down triangle with slightly curvy sides. In the middle of your page, draw a little straight line. Then curve down to a point and back up to the other corner. We'll add more detail to this shield later, but next let's draw the knight's body. We'll use a square for this, but we won't be able to see the whole of the square because half of it is hiding behind the shield. So we'll start about here, just a little bit below the straight line of the shield. We're going to draw out, this is the shoulders, down, that's the side of the body, and along the bottom of the body armour. Let's try that with our pencils. Out, down, and back in. Good. Then we can add a little line for the neck. Bloop. And we don't see the other side of the neck because that's also hiding behind the shield. All we see is the bottom line of this rectangle-shaped helmet. See if you can draw a helmet just above the shield. Now the knight needs to be able to see out of the helmet, but also keep the face protected. So let's do a little lying down rectangle quite near the top, and inside draw 2 dots for the eyes. Underneath that eye hole, we're going to need to put some standing up lines so that the knight can breathe through these little gaps in the helmet. Knights often had a plume of feathers on top of their helmet to make them look important. So draw a little semicircle right in the middle. That's the bit that's going to hold the plume of feathers. And then you can do a little wiggly line, like a little cloud of feathers floating out behind. Then we can draw 2 standing up rectangles to show the top half of the legs. So don't make these too long. Then underneath, we're going to do the knee guards. And for this, we'll use little circles. So one line that goes all the way around and another line that goes all the way around. So those are the knees. Then underneath, we need to do 2 more, slightly smaller standing up rectangles. Those are the shins. And then for feet, we're going to use long triangles. Knights had very strange kind of foot armour. So starting on the corner, draw a little line down, then along the floor to a point, and back up to the other side of the leg rectangle. Let's do the same on the other side. Down, along to a point, and back up to the other corner. Now for the arms. One arm is hiding behind the shield, so we don't need to draw that one. Let's draw the arm that's holding the sword. First of all, we need a shoulder guard, and for this we're going to use 3/4 of a circle. To do this, we're going to start just about here. So in between the corner of the body and the little neckline, we're going to start a little circle that has one line that goes all the way round and ends up just below the corner of the body. It's a bit more than half a circle. Let's do that with our pencils. One line that goes 3/4 of the way round. Underneath that, let's do a little rectangle that's standing up, sticking out away from the body a little bit. A small circle on the end for the hand that's clutching the hilt of the sword. That's the handle. It has a little piece that protects the hand. So for this, we need a little rectangle lying down on top of the hand. And on the other side of the hand, we're going to draw a little semicircle to show the end of the handle poking out from the hand. And then for the main part of the sword, we're going to draw a long rectangle with a pointy end. You can make your sword as long as you like. A knight's armour is like a uniform. The colours, patterns and designs represent the family, the castle or the house that the knight belongs to and is there to protect. So you can decide what colour your knight will wear and what design you want to put on your shield. I must protect this castle and the princess. Back off, dragon. If you would like to learn to draw this dragon, castle or the princess, go to the Sketchcan Caravan YouTube channel where you can find these drawing tutorials and many others. To support this project, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks.